So today we are doing a beginner's bit, a detailed one. I don't have been having so much breakout. God. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new, you're highly welcome. My name is Stella Dean. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Share your thought on the comment section. Share the video to who you think might help. So we can do. So I've already applied my moisturizers. I'm going now with a primer. I'm using the Zaron face primer. I applied it all over my face. This is supposed to make my makeup last and minimize my pores. Then I go in with this foundation. I applied it all over my face. This one was dark. I don't know what I was even thinking. The last video I did, it was looking like this foundation on my skin tone, so I said I should try it out today, but it wasn't. It becomes too dark when the thing dried up. So I'm applying this using a damp beauty sponge. Tap tap tap. It was nice when it wasn't dry, but when it dried up, I think that this foundation, when it dries up, it gets darker. So I apply on my hairline using a dabbing motion on my neck too. I was already smiling because I know that it's too dark. Before it even dried up, I knew it was too dark. So after that, I'm going in with the Flawless concealer in camouflage. Apply this beneath my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my forehead. I don't like applying too much concealer on my forehead because I have a big one already, so I don't want to pronounce it. So I start blending with my beauty sponge. I like to blend out my forehead first while I let the one beneath my eye set. When it sets, it gives you more coverage, but I don't like the one on my forehead to set. That's why I like blending it out immediately. Then I go in to blend under my eyes. So since the foundation was too dark, I had to use the remainder to reverse contour, trying to soften it. So for my blush, I'm using this peach. Guys, this peach shade is very beautiful on dark skin. If you haven't tried it out, try it out and tell me what you think. So I'm applying it on my cheeks. I love liquid blushes because it stays longer than the powdered ones. Because I'm always applying liquid blushes. And I don't need to apply contour because the foundation is too dark already. So I go in, I set the concealed part of my face under my eyes. You guys see, I take my damp beauty sponge, put it in the powder, distribute it at the back of my hands, and then set my face. When I distribute it like that, it makes it not look bulky on the face. Now I don't go directly. I distribute it first on the sponge before I apply. Am I making sense? So and I use my contour shade to set to contour. I'm using just powdered contour today since the foundation was too dark, so that I thought that there was no need. So I just set with a powdered contour, and I'm using this very light shade to apply the rest of my face. So because I'm trying to brighten the foundation. So onto my brows. I brush out the powder from my brows. I use my spoolie to brush out those powders. Then I line my brows with Davis No. 3 eye pencil. Fill it in using hair-like strokes. So I think today it was my good brow days. I told you guys some days I have good brow days, other days I have bad brow days. So today was actually a good brow day. Then I conceal my brow bone area. I just like concealing just my brow bone area because I've applied contour in the other side, so there's no need, I think, for me to go in with a concealer again on the front of the brows. So I'm blending it out with my middle finger. Then I use the concealer to set the rest of my face and to set the rest of my eyelid for eyeshadow. I use this powder to set it immediately because I don't want it to start breaking. So for eyeshadow, I'm going in with this brown shade. I like starting out with this brown shade because I use it to set my nose contour. Like from the outer corner of my eye, I just brush it down to my nose. You see what I'm saying? After that, that's my transition color. So I'm using this to deepen that brown. This brown shade, you always have that reddish undertone. That's why I don't like using it much, because this brown have that, you guys see it's looking red, right? But it's actually brown. So I just use it to create depth on my eyes. I go in with that my blending sponge again and my blending brush to blend. Guys, in makeup, I think 20% product, 80% is how you apply it, and blending is really a part of it. So you have to blend. I'm using it for my main color, then I'll deepen it with the other pink, and I'm just applying just that area. I was seeing this look on Instagram these days. People are just applying their main color on that side. I thought, let me try it today. So I deepen the pink. For my waterline, I'm going in with white. I wanted my eyes to look open. I didn't want those sultry, those black. That's why I'm using white. I wanted my eyes to open the way I'm going to. Then I smoke out my under eye with that second brown shade that I told you guys looking red. It has red undertone. Then I'm going in to line my eyes. And I was thinking the wing today was just too dramatic. I don't even know what I was thinking. But the wing was really dramatic. So you could reduce your own, please, if you are trying this look. And it was looking too big. The eyeshadow today was just too small. What do you guys think? Do you think this one was good? If I make it less. This is, oh geez, see this thing has stained my eyeshadow. So guys, this is how I apply my lashes. It sticks immediately. Like, this is the easiest way to apply lashes for beginners. Apply it directly on your lid, then bring in the lashes and it will just stick immediately. Then you press your lower lashes plus the false lashes together, and that's all. That's simple. So I'm using this purple to line, and I'm using that orange as my main color for my lips. I really wanted a more dramatic look lips this time. Then I'm setting everything in. We will be applying powder. I'm setting everything in with my finishing spray. So guys, this is the final look. Hope you learned something from today's video. Don't mind that dog. Hope you learned something from today's video. Don't forget to subscribe. Share your thoughts on the comment section. I reply to all of them. Until the next video, bye guys, and keep practicing.